This summer, Expanding Boundaries International hosted an engaging program for our students in Ghana, Baltimore, and Carroll County, focusing on the Internet of Things, IoT. Students explored IoT concepts, gaining hands-on experience with everyday devices like automated doors, sensor-activated faucets, and smart home technology. They learned how IoT simplifies life and drives innovation, inspired by creative minds worldwide. Our STEAM exchange program empowered students to build and program a smart house, integrating electronic devices and coding for features like password-protected entry and automated lighting. This experience highlighted the importance of innovation and sustainability, as students visited a local cement factory to learn about energy consumption and environmental impact. Additionally, a visit to the Korean embassy enriched their understanding of cultural diversity, emphasizing empathy and open-mindedness. Watching students troubleshoot, code, and construct was truly exciting, showcasing their growth and potential. This STEAM exchange camp, focusing on science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, was a remarkable journey of learning and discovery. Thank you for supporting our after-school program.